Hey coders, choosing the right text editor can make or break your workflow. Today we're comparing Sublime Text, Notepad++, and Visual Studio Code in a quick showdown. Let's break down each one and see which one shines for what. Sublime Text is a lightweight, cross-platform editor known for its blazing speed and sleek interface. It supports over 70 languages, offers multiple cursor editing, and has a robust plugin ecosystem with over 4,500 packages. Its minimalist design and command palette make navigation a breeze. It costs $99 for a license, though you can evaluate it for free. It's best for developers who prioritize speed and simplicity. Next, we have Notepad++. It's a free open-source editor built for Windows. It supports 80+ languages with syntax highlighting, code folding, and a lightweight footprint. Its simpler interface is beginner-friendly, but it lacks advanced features like a built-in debugging or robust Git integration. It's perfect for quick edits and small projects on Windows. Finally, we have VS Code by Microsoft. It's a free cross-platform powerhouse. It supports countless language via extensions with its built-in Git integration, debugging, and IntelliSense for smart code completion. Its customizable UI and massive community make it versatile, though it is slightly heavier than Sublime. It's ideal for complex projects and collaboration. So, how do they stack up? For speed, Sublime Text wins. For lightning-fast performance, perfect for large files. And Notepad++ is close but Windows only. VS Code is fast but can feel heavier with extensions. When it comes to cost, Notepad++ and VS Code are free, while Sublime's $99 license may deter budget-conscious users. Notepad++ is best for quick Windows edits, Sublime is for speed and simplicity, and VS Code for feature-rich development and teamwork. Pick Notepad++ for basic tasks, Sublime Text for speed, or VS Code for versatility. Try them out and find your fit. Let us know your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and happy coding!